So if you're watching this right now, you're currently experiencing low views on your marketplace listings. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a few solutions that you can use that can possibly help you remedy this bug right now. So this is a known bug that's going on around Facebook on marketplace, and Facebook has addressed this to a few people who are able to reach out to support and get some type of response. So understand, if you're dealing with this right now, you're not the only one. I have experienced this as well. This started to happen for me late last week, and then as I have been in several other Facebook groups, this has been happening to tons of people. So you're not alone with this. Now, if you watch other videos on YouTube where they're talking about low views, they are telling you, like, how you can improve your listing, how you can improve your headline or your title for your item by using keywords and things like that. Those are things that you need to be doing, of course, when it comes to listing your items on dropshipping. But this video is really going to be talking about the recent bug that's happening. This is June 2021. This is what I'm really going to be referring to in this video. And guys, if you have any questions about anything that I cover in this video, or let me know in the comment section below what you think it is or what type of problems you're experiencing with low listing views on your marketplace. Let us know in the comment section below so we can kind of get a conversation going on about this. Now, like I said, I did some research in a few Facebook groups to see how other people were getting solutions with this, and there were very few solutions because this is a widespread Facebook problem that Facebook needs to fix, really. And this morning they stated that in one group that I'm in, they stated that the problem was fixed, and a lot of people were saying that they actually got their views on yesterday. Yesterday was the 22nd, June 22nd. So a lot of people started posting into groups that they were actually getting their views back, and then this morning we started seeing people saying, like, well, they're not getting any more views anymore. Some people are still showing as 0 listing views and things like that. So a few things that you can go ahead and try, and I'm just looking at my notes right here. So one thing that you can definitely try is any item that you have posted in the last couple of days or in the last, since last week when this issue started to happen, you may want to remove those listings and then relist. I did this for one of my listings, and it actually started to get some views. It wasn't a lot of views, but it was way more than 0, right? Something else people are saying that they're doing, they're going back through their listings, and the ones that have 0 listing views, they are marking their items as sold and then relisting that same item. I'm hearing a lot of people doing that. So some people are saying that when you are listing new items, it's taking 24 to 48 hours before your items are showing up in search. So take that into an account, and that's probably why you're still seeing 0 listing views right now, because it's taking longer for your listings to show up. So those are just a few things that I am seeing. Anything else, there's no other real solutions anybody else is having, but those are the 3 that I'm actually seeing people saying that they're having the most results with. And then even with today, again, just how I mentioned earlier, how some people are saying they're still experiencing 0 views. Another user said that they had over 100 views on one of their listings, and then another listing they posted afterwards only got 0 views, right? So this is a widespread issue that's going on with Facebook right now, and people who have gotten in contact with Facebook or Facebook support, they have been posting in these groups, and all Facebook is saying that it's a known issue, that it is working. Also, if you were using the tags feature, if you were a fan of the tags feature like I was, that was removed for me like 2 weeks ago, and I think a lot of people also experienced this as well. Facebook said to somebody via support, that this particular feature is actually being updated. So we don't 100% know if it's really coming back or not, but they did say that that feature is being updated. So who knows, we'll see it again in the near future or anything like that. So that's all I want to share with you in this video. Those are a few things that you can go ahead and try and see if it helps to boost your listing views. And then also just the typical things that you want to be doing anyways. You want to make sure that you have a really good description, that your headline is keyword rich. So make sure they're actually including terms that people are actually searching for. And then you also want to include some keywords or things that's really going to describe your item in the description box, so that way your item can be found in the search. So hopefully you got some insight into this issue. And again, comment below. Let me know what your experience is, if you're experiencing 0 views or even 0 sales over the last few days? Comment below. Let me see what's happening on your end. Again, hopefully you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video.